Hello everyone. Welcome back to the In English podcast channel. I'm Ryan.
Hi everyone, I'm Clara. Thank you so much for joining us today.
How are you doing today, Clara?
I'm doing really well, thank you, Ryan. It's been a calm and nice day so far. How about you?
I'm good too. I had a relaxed morning, and that always helps me start the day well.
That's great. A good morning can really change your whole day.
So Clara, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very useful for English learners. We're talking about how to talk about your day in English.
Yes, this is something we all do every day.
Exactly. We talk about our day with friends, family, co-workers, everyone.
And the good news is, you don't need difficult English to do this.
Simple words and clear sentences are enough.
Why this topic is important? Because many beginners say, I know some English, but I don't know how to talk about my day.
Yes, they feel stuck or nervous.
But talking about your day is one of the best ways to practice English.
Because it's real life. It's something you already know.
Let's start with the morning. Most people like talking about their morning.
Yes, mornings are easy to describe.
For example, when someone asks, how was your morning?
You can talk about simple things. Waking up, breakfast, coffee, or travel.
No long story needed.
Short and clear is perfect.
For me, my morning usually starts early. I wake up around 6:30 a.m.
That's quite early.
Yes, but I like having quiet time in the morning. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make coffee.
Coffee again. I think coffee is part of everyone's daily routine.
I agree. After coffee, I check my phone for messages and news.
That sounds very normal and relatable. My morning is a little different. I wake up around 7 a.m.
Not too early, not too late.
Yes. I also brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I usually have something simple, like fruit or toast.
That's a great way to start the day.
After the morning, people often talk about work or study.
Yes, that's a big part of the day.
You can talk about where you go, how you travel, and what you do.
For example, I usually go to work around 9 a.m.
Do you drive or take public transport?
I usually drive. It takes about 20 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Let's talk about midday and lunch. Lunch is another common topic.
Yes, everyone eats lunch, so it's easy to talk about.
I usually have lunch around 1 p.m.
Same for me. I sometimes bring food from home.
Me too. It's cheaper and healthier.
And sometimes it's nice to eat with co-workers.
Yes, talking and laughing makes the day better.
The afternoon is often about finishing work or study.
Yes, people usually feel a little tired by then.
That's very true.
In the afternoon, I work on my computer, answer emails, and finish tasks.
I also do similar things. Sometimes I have meetings too.
Meetings are very common these days.
Let's talk about evening time. After work, people like to relax.
Yes, the evening is about rest.
When I get home, I usually change into comfortable clothes.
Same here. That's the best feeling.
Then I relax for a bit. Maybe watch TV or read.
I like listening to music in the evening.
Let's talk about dinner and night routine.
Yes, dinner is another easy topic.
Yes, food is always a good topic.
I usually have dinner around 7 p.m.
Me too. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food.
And after dinner, the dishes.
Yes, not very fun, but part of life.
After that, I usually take a shower and relax more.
I like reading before bed. It helps me sleep better.
Sleep is very important. Sleep is very important.
Yes, And many people talk about how tired they are.
I try to go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m.
Same here. Getting enough sleep really helps the next day.
Final tips for learners. So, if you're learning English, talking about your day is great practice.
Use simple sentences.
Speak slowly.
And don't worry about mistakes.
The goal is communication, not perfection.
That's all for today's episode of In English Podcast channel.
Thank you so much for listening.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share.
And leave a comment below. Tell us one thing you do every day.
We would love to read your comments.
See you next time.
Bye everyone, and keep practicing your English.